In the realm of investment strategies, numerous options abound, with one of the most prevalent being the practice known as going long, wherein investors purchase a selection of stocks and retain them with an eye toward long-term gains. However, there exist alternative strategies that, while potentially more effective, also entail a greater degree of complexity. One such alternative is arbitrage, a method renowned for its potential profitability when executed proficiently. Seasoned investors often favor this approach over longer-term strategies. However, it is imperative to note that arbitrage is not suitable for novices, as it carries substantial risks that can escalate exponentially without a thorough understanding of the practice. Prior to engaging in arbitrage, one must grasp the depths of its intricacies with confidence. Arbitrage, as previously mentioned, is an investment tactic involving the simultaneous purchase and sale of the same asset across different markets, with the aim of capitalizing on price differentials between them. Though these discrepancies are typically modest, the cumulative effect of numerous transactions can yield significant returns, rendering arbitrage a viable investment option. Various forms of arbitrage exist, including pure arbitrage, merger arbitrage, and convertible arbitrage. Additionally, strategies such as global macros, while not strictly classified as arbitrage, warrant consideration when exploring investment opportunities. Let's explore in detail the diverse strategies encompassed by arbitrage. 1. Pure arbitrage. Pure arbitrage involves the concurrent purchase and sale of a security in disparate markets to exploit price disparities. This aligns with the fundamental concept of arbitrage, where opportunities arise due to variations in market prices. However, advancements in technology have diminished the frequency of such opportunities, as price differentials are swiftly identified and rectified. 2. Merger arbitrage. This strategy revolves around corporate mergers, wherein publicly traded companies combine. Investors may capitalize on this by purchasing shares of the target company, anticipating a rise in value following the merger announcement. However, merger arbitrage carries risks, requiring astute judgment to navigate successfully. 3. Convertible arbitrage. Convertible arbitrage pertains to convertible bonds, which afford bondholders the option to convert their bonds into shares of the issuing company at a predetermined price. This strategy involves capitalizing on discrepancies between the bond's conversion price and the current stock price, typically through long and short positions. Arbitrage presents an attractive option for investors seeking low-risk yields, albeit with the caveat that high transaction volumes are necessary to offset fees. While considered low risk relative to other strategies, it is crucial for investors